Okay, on our next segment here on what to look for in a bookkeeper is, I'm going to have to say, a backbone. Yes, you're going to look for a bookkeeper with a backbone. Mainly, you're wanting to look for someone who will advocate on your behalf if there seems to be a problem with the flow of the bookkeeping. Case in point is working maybe with a certified professional accountant. Now, don't get me wrong. There's great bookkeepers and there's some bookkeepers that shouldn't be bookkeepers. There's also some accountants that are great accountants, awesome accountants. I work with so many of them. I love them so much. But there's also some accountants that just frankly don't do a good job. So a case in point with one client that we have is they were looking for the password for the QuickBooks Online file. We lock everything down. We lock down the periods, basically for their own interests and to ensure that the bank recs are compliant with how we reconciled them last. We conform to generally accepted accounting principles. So that's another thing you need to ask your bookkeeper. What was requested of this client from the CPAs to do these journal entries that were handwritten, literally handwritten journal entries to the books, just do them. There was no information to reference their working papers. There was no clarification as to what the accounts were. There were some accounts that weren't even in our trial balance. These were material amounts, and we had to put down our foot. So we had to exert our backbone to say, no, this is not a proper process. In order to adjust the journal entries, we need to have financial statements that show us the adjusting entries and the reason for that in the comments section. We need to be able to see those references in your working papers if we are audited with Canada Revenue Agency, because chances are not only will the accountant be brought in, so will the bookkeeper. So it's very important that you communicate all of your team, the accountant, the bookkeeper, whoever else, that they have a backbone to be able to keep another party accountable in the event that they're just not doing their job properly. So at the end of the day, whoever you have working for you, don't give away your power, but look for people that have a backbone to embrace your power and to stick up for you. Take care.